Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair, 2007 Toyota Prius. We're doing a headlight bulb. Yep, not really a good spot to reach it on the passenger side. Driver's side's just the same. So here's what we have. Per the service manual, headlight assembly comes out, and how we do that is we have a push pin here. Sorry, a bolt here, God, push pin. This is just going to be a screwdriver, Phillips head. You're going to need to loosen up the fender well. You don't need to take it out all the way. There is one single push pin clip that goes under there, down at the bottom. I took about 7 10mm bolts. Just enough so that I could get the bumper separated to pull it away. I'm not taking off the whole bottom half. It's not needed. If I was doing both sides, then I probably would, just for the simplicity of it. But other than that, not needed. For the fender well, once you have the liner out of the way, there is a single 10 that goes straight up here. Then this piece will pull away. This guard has a 10 here and a 10 here, which is going to sit right here. That has to be removed so that you can get to the 10 here that holds the side piece of the assembly end, which is going to be right here. So you got one up top, one on the side, and one facing straight down, which is going to be, once you have this pulled back right there, then this whole assembly will come out. Disconnect your two connectors for your turn signal and driving light, and then you can disconnect your headlight assembly too. It's just a 3-prong clip. This looks kind of nasty. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. Then the whole assembly itself will come out and you can get to everything. I'm going to have a twisting lock tab boot over top to keep the water out. You can see it right here. Open this way, lock this way. Twist it, pry it loose. Then you have a push lock right here. Push down, move out of the way, and then comes out. Most of that's pretty standard on a lot of European cars, a lot of domestic cars. It just holds the bulb in place. Swap out your new one, make sure the orientation tabs are correct, and then put everything back in. Not too bad to it. I also make sure I test it out before I put everything back in. So I'm going to plug it up and just make sure the headlight bulb comes on and does what it does, so that way the customer is did the correct thing, because he's the one that suggested the bulb, not me. But other than that, questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.